Well, hello everyone. Well, I'm back out onto another adventure. Today I thought I'm going to go out in the backyard and see if I can do a little bit of chicken hunting. Maybe I'll fluke out, maybe we'll find a chicken. So I thought, well, I'm going to use my little 22 Mare's leg. You know, it's a beautiful little gun and I got my camera mount set up on it. So let's hope maybe we'll go out and get ourselves a chicken. Alright, so back here, kind of out of the wind. It's kind of a windy day out today, so thought, well, we got 7 acres of land here. It's backed up on crown land, so I thought, we'll take our quad trail and we're gonna go down and hopefully maybe a guy can shoot a chicken. So I'm gonna get my camera ready and set it up on my gun just in case, so I'm not playing with cameras and everything, and just see if this setup's even gonna work. Now, last time I was walking down here I seen a chicken, but now I'm filming. My luck, I probably won't see a darn thing, but we'll see how it goes anyway. Let's hope we can get something, make a show out of this today. Yeah, you wouldn't believe how beautiful our trails are just in our backyard. I came down this trail here. I don't know if you can see that, but such a beautiful view. And then if I turn, we come up to this other trail here. There's another one that goes down here where I'm hoping I can find some chickens down there, get some ruffle grouse hopefully, because there's a little bit of kind of a swampy area with some willows and stuff, and that's where they like to hang out. So I'm going to work my way down there. Another trail, this trail actually goes, if I turn around, goes behind me here or whatever, and it goes back to a whole bunch more trails. But in our backyard, a weekend ain't long enough to take every trail that's in our backyard. But let's hope we can get some chickens. I'm pretty excited. It's been all year I've been waiting to go chicken hunting. So trying to keep it a little bit quiet so I can hear what's going on. With that wind blowing, it might work in my favor. We'll see. But all right, I'm going to get this camera mounted back to my gun. Well, so far I didn't find no chickens yet, but it's still kind of basically in my backyard. I thought, well, we'll take a walk and I'll show you the Athabasca River at least while I'm here. It comes from Jasper Park, whatever, from the Athabasca Glaciers. Comes all the way back through here, basically on our back doorstep. And I walked all the way down here, so it's not far from home. But here's I'll show you the Athabasca River. What you're seeing here, like across the river there, that's an actual island. The river kind of splits there, and that's an island. I thought that's really neat to show you. But at one time in this spot, there was a swinging rope they had here where you could swing from a tree or whatever into the river. But the looks of this river right now, it's so shallow, we haven't getting much rain now. So the river's kind of shallow now. I don't think I'd be swinging off a rope. But that water, I don't know, it'd probably be cold, but probably still refreshing. But yeah, there used to be right about up in here somewhere, there was a hanging tree and had a rope from it. Still, kind of a beautiful sight to see here. A partridge flew in here. I was coming down the trail there, going back towards home. I heard him flutter, I heard him fly. I thought I'd walk in the bush here a little bit. I can't find him. This bush is so thick. You really got to take your time walking through it and be quiet and hope the heck maybe you can hear him, but he must have flew in further than what I thought. Well, I guess I'll work my way back out of the bush here and go back on the trail. And it's the only chicken all that walking and the only chicken I heard. And didn't get to see it. All I did was I heard it, but just didn't see it. I don't even know if it's a ruffle grouse. It could have been a spruce grouse. I don't know. Alright, I want to work my way back out to the trail. Look how nice our trails are here. To me, it's just a paradise. You couldn't ask for better trails. You don't even need an ATV. You know? Just even walking, it's just listen to nature. A lot of people have to have an ATV or something to go down these trails, but just even going for nice little nature walks. These trails are absolutely perfect. Can you imagine walking down these trails on a full moon at nighttime? Be spooky. This road that I'm on right now is actually, well, it's the road behind our home. It's like it's an old lease road is actually what it is. If I turn my camera this way, behind me, well, that's our land that we have. We got 7 acres of land here. But yeah, our land's back there. But I'd show you, that's kind of cool. Well, that was a fun little chicken hunt. I didn't get no chickens, but I did see that one. I didn't actually see him, I heard him. I thought I could go back in the bush, maybe I can catch up to him and maybe I could get him. But that bush was so thick I couldn't even get even close to it. But I still got to be out in Mother Nature, go for a nice walk, walk down the trails and everything. That's the nice thing about our backyard. We got beautiful trails here. We're right on the back end of the snowmobile rally trails here in Whitecourt, so there's just trails that goes for miles. But anyways, I still had a good time or whatever, and I guess this is just going to be a practice video now. There's no use putting this one on the internet, I don't think. I might, who knows, see how it goes on this video. But I know one thing, if you check these videos out, I know darn well you're going to like them. Or even hit that subscribe button, and you'll be notified every time I come out with a new video. So we'll see you guys next time on Measures Adventures. Have fun, everybody.